Hello, Tom. Hope you're well. So, you have asked me to generate three articles all about the current AI models, GPT-3. Researching your name, I'm pretty confident you know all about these sort of tools and everything, and perhaps you're just asking to elaborate on this tool just for a bit of fun and to see what's what. So I thought, why not? Let's do it. Let's go anyway. Now, these tools, as you're probably well aware, tend to only scour the web up until 2020, maybe even 2021. So you're never going to get the latest and greatest information, but I'm a firm believer when using these tools, you should apply the 80-20 rule, which is 80% of the heavy lifting should be done by the tool. So that's all the writing and the bulk sum of it. And then 20% should be the human tweaking and editing it and fact checking. Okay, so let's go ahead and go into templates where we are, and we're going to jump into one shot blog post. Now we're going to get rid of this information here, and I'm going to copy and paste your first question, which is how do large language models help businesses? So the tone of voice, I'm going to go for informative, and then the intended audience, let's just say students, because I saw your college professor or something those lines. Okay, I'm going to change the tone to American, although I am English, British, but yeah. So let's go ahead and do generate AI content. And now within 30 seconds, it has generated. So what I'm going to do, I will copy this so you can have a read, but as you can see, this is how simple it is. Now, before I generate the other blog post, let me show you what you can actually do with this and how you can elaborate. So if you go ahead and click open in documents, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to quickly pause the video and just make these in bold. So one sec. Okay, so I've just quickly cleaned up the document. It's the exact same document as what you saw before. So you've got all your templates here, but if I just hide that, what we can do, if you ever wanted to elaborate on this, all you need to do is place your cursor here, or here, or here, and just do the compose button. And then it just starts writing more content for you. Now, this particular tool reads up to round about 600 words above where you place the cursor. So it tries to understand what's going on, and then it uses marketing frameworks to regenerate the text based on, you know, what's engaging and what's going to get people clicking on, etc. Okay, so that's the first article, and I just wanted to show you that little way of doing it. Now, it's also command based as well, so I could actually just delete this and say write a conclusion um, from the text above, and then do control and enter. And what it's doing is that's what we call a command. So what it's done, it's taken this and it's basically made a conclusion from it. Okay, so let's go back into the initial blog post generator, which is one shot blog post. Okay, and I still have your article here, so I will paste that over to you shortly. And let's go ahead and get your second question, paste it in, and do generate. It usually takes up to 30 seconds or so to actually generate the output, which is actually a lot faster than most other tools. Okay, so here we've got it breaking down. So it's redone the title for you. It's created the blog body. So you've got the headline, what are large language models, what are the benefits of large language models, etc. Now, one important thing is that the more detail you can give the topic, the better output this is going to get, because obviously if it's scanning the internet, the more details you can give it, the more things it's going to scan, and the more things it's going to start merging and rewriting and understanding what it is you actually want. Okay, so let's go ahead and do copy with the third, and we're going to paste that in, and we're going to do generate. Okay, and here we go. So it's retitled this to the top 5 business use cases for GPT-3. Okay, and then it's given you 5 pointers and a conclusion. And again, you can expand it and keep going. Realistically, within 10 minutes, you could probably have a pretty engaging 1,000 word plus blog post, which is almost factually correct. Um, but yeah, hopefully this helped. I'll also leave a link below for you if you want to check out the free trial of the software. I appreciate you getting in touch, whether no matter how knowledgeable you are with this, it's sometimes it's fun to see these sort of tools in action. Thank you for your time and hope this helps.